Hello YouTube. I'm doing a review on the TechForce 707 PE folding knife. This knife I purchased from Amazon for about $10. Boy, I am happy with this knife. Let's take a closer look to it. Well, as you can see, here we have a purple dragon aluminum handle, and it comes with a pocket clip and a glass breaker. The length of the shaft is about 4.5 inches, and the length of the serrated blade is about 3.5 inches. Pretty good size to do some damage, yet it fits into my pocket. There are two features that I like about this knife. The first feature is the serrated blade. I can use this blade to cut rope and plastic strips easily. The second feature that I like is the place where you can put your finger in the middle of the blade. Um, that just reinforce the grip to attack in case of emergency. Well, the blade is very easy to open. Just with the push of a finger, and it will sprung open. The blade you can see is serrated, and there's a safety device to keep the blade from retracting back that will cut yourself. And you're looking at the glass breaker. The glass breaker is a very pointy and heavy duty. And when you put it in your pocket, make sure that the glass breaker is facing up the pocket, so it won't do any damage to your pocket. And I am doing use a glass breaker to break one of my old CD case. As you can see, with a moderate amount of force, it can do some serious damage. The grip is very firm and comfortable. I highly recommend this knife.